Back in the South Island, Cold Kiwi 2023, the final leg. Come along and join me. So I came in tonight and they had the heater going, like a sauna, and it was awesome. So we've got like a mirror, got a double bed, double bunk, toaster and jug, but it is very wet outside, or wettish. Thankfully rained as we were coming into Picton on the ferry, but as we docked and got off the ferry there was just spits, and then had a shower and stuff. It was raining a wee bit when I was getting sorted to go out for find some food, and then fantastic meal of a Guinness hot pot at this Irish bar here in Picton. Beautiful meal. Met up with a couple of really cool motorcyclists that had travelled down from the North Island back, heading home. Absolutely great way to end an awesome trip. Walk there, walk back, and so lucky didn't get wet. So hopefully wake up tomorrow morning and the weather will be good and fine. Woken up this morning and it is a beautiful sight. The sky may be dripping a few drops. Apparently it's going to be super warm down by the Kaikoura coast, and met up with the 1200 guy. And I didn't have to use the jump pack every time to start the bike every day of the trip, but those times that I did, it was well worthwhile, and it's great to have that reassurance that I ain't going to get stranded. I don't have to push it and drop it and break it some more. Heading down towards Blenheim from Picton. The sky is a little dark still, but I'm reassured that the weather forecast is saying that it's going to be fine. Pass just south of Blenheim, which takes you down the main track road down to the coast, is one road that is really quite a cool piece of road. It's got double yellow lines, so there's not much opportunity for the passing unless the people pull right over, but it's one of these pieces of road that's magic when you get a free run and no traffic, especially given that the place is kind of overrun by trucks and other vehicles. So heading up here today, not a car in front of me. It was fantastic and I really enjoyed it the one time. Continuing south, and the scenery is more majestic and bright, sunny and beautiful. The vistas beyond the eyes are just spectacular. Cannot say the coast road is bad.
It's now 17 degrees. It's pretty warm.
So this is O'Hare Point. There's quite a few seals down there. See them all over. They're protected, and yeah, they make a home of around here. It's been a beautiful day for a ride, considering started off in that rain. Reaching the coast, the sea air, the smells of the ocean, the vision through the eyes, these mountains that just rise up above, out of the ground, so massive and impressive. With those snow caps, even though so warm today. Reaching Kaikoura and a little bit peckish. I don't normally have breakfast, but I'm so looking forward to lunch. The historic Adelphi Hotel used to reside up on the right hand side here, circa 1921 I believe. Mini destination for motorcycle and so on, but after the earthquakes and stuff it ended up disappearing and being taken down. There's only one other hotel now to visit, and I've never been here before, so we're going to head up and meet at the pub at the wharf. Kaikoura is one of those places that's really awesome, majestically fantastic, with the mountains, the ocean, the seashore, the scenery, the whales bring people in, seafood, all that sort of stuff. It's great. Spectacular guzzi on the wall. It's possible we might have to wait 20 minutes because it says on the end there, I think, opens at 12 p.m. Oh, cheers. So this one is what? The calamari chips and salad. Oh well, cheers.
This one's going to be a bit messy on the old lips.
After filling the stomach in a really beautiful meal, couple of nice drinks, time to head towards home. Kaikoura Coast up over the Hundalis. It's a beautiful ride along here. Take it for what it is. It might be only 80 kilometers an hour, but the ride that with the scenery and what you look at is really awesome to enjoy. Back and much closer to the Canterbury Plains, the flatland countryside, and the day is still very nice. We thought we'd look to stop our last stop before I head home at the Greta Valley Hotel. Oh, well then. Must be cheers.
Cheers. Cheers.
Greta Valley Tavern. This trip to the North Island has been absolutely awesome and very memorable, and so many cool things that happened on this trip just in terms of what I took in through my eyes and enjoyed. I thank you too for coming along on the journey with me. If you haven't seen the episodes or series films before this one, hey, check back out, look out at the playlist. It'll show you all that you want to see or what you need to see, because it's awesome, and go and do it yourself if you can. If you can't, then enjoy this one. Thank you so very much for following along. It's been a great time. Awesome, brilliant, fantastic. That is the end of a most awesome, epic journey across our land. Privilege to have my eyes open and see all of that. Totally, wickedly awesome. I can't say anything much more than that. So thank you very much.